Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very inspiring passage to read together. Let's look at how we can feed our minds for success. Listen carefully and let's get started. Feed your mind. Feeding your mind is just as important as feeding your body. What you read, watch, listen to, and think about shapes your thoughts, habits, and future. A mind fed with positive ideas, knowledge, and purpose grows stronger and wiser. Reading books, learning new skills, and surrounding yourself with thoughtful content improves focus and confidence. Negative thoughts and constant distractions weaken the mind and slow personal growth. When you feed your mind with discipline, curiosity, and meaningful information, you develop clarity and self-control. A healthy mind helps you make better decisions and handle challenges calmly. Just like the body needs healthy food to stay strong, the mind needs learning and positivity to grow. Choose wisely what you allow into your mind because it becomes the foundation of your character, actions, and success. That is it for today's passage. Remember, what you put into your mind matters every single day. If you enjoyed this video and want to practice more English with me, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.